When a brand attains 5 decades of success, the effort and commitment of all the people who are part of it play an important role. This is why, in 2017, Oriflame decided to embark upon a most ambitious project and treat their best consultants with the flagship of all corporate incentives. Welcome aboard to a unique event. 2 luxury cruise ships, 8 days, 4 cities, 3 countries, 2 continents, more than 6,000 brand ambassadors, and a journey absolutely memorable. With the Mediterranean Sea as a backdrop, guests embark in Rome for a unique experience. A journey full of activities, entertainments, corporate sessions, and all kinds of surprises. Surprises that continued every time they landed on a new destination. Discovering the ancient Greek culture and tradition of iconic Mykonos. Living an Olympic experience in Athens. Or bringing to life the small village of Kirazli in Turkey, planting more than 1,000 olive trees and fostering the local tourism industry. But for a team that every day do a wow job, we should prepare something really wow. Oriflame decided to give them everything, and even one night make possible the impossible. Celebrate a fireworks show aboard the 2 cruise ships, where pyrotechnic displays are prohibited by law. But how? From land? From platforms over the sea? None of this. It was the time to look as high as the sky. 2 of the best acrobatic pilots in the world were responsible to create an impressive show of fireworks and LED lights over both cruise liners. A real display of flawless coordination, precision, and innovation never seen before. Proving that when you love what you do, there is nothing that can stop you. A show as big as this great team that met the highest expectations. And the best finale to a trip created to reward the efforts and dedication of all those who had taken Oriflame to the very top.